Science is an organized way of gathering information and analyzing evidence about the natural world. To make this happen, it needs to establish some goals, like to provide natural explanations for events in the natural world. Also, science has a methodology which involves observation, which is the act of noticing and describing events or processes; hypothesis, which is scientific explanation for a set of observations; experimenting, which has a controlled experiment that are controlled variables and is divided into two: independent variables, that is the manipulated, and dependent variables, that is the responding. In the experiment, there should have a control group exposed to the same conditions as the experimental group. A scientist should be curious, skeptical, open-minded, creative between other things. A theory ties together hypotheses. Before thinking about making this mythology, we need to learn about science and biology, which is the study of life and a branch of science. A species is an organism. A population is a group of species. Communities are different populations living together. Ecosystems are all the organisms that live together. A biome is a group of ecosystems. A biosphere is the entire planet, also called a group of biomes. An environment is divided into two: biotic factors, living parts of an environment, and abiotic factors, not living parts of an environment. The biotic factors are separated into categories as carnivores, eat other animals; herbivores, eat plants; scavengers, consume caskers; omnivores, eat plants and animals; decomposers, chemical breakdown; detritivores, digest decomposers. Every organism needs energy, and they get it by a food chain. Organisms transfer energy by eating and being eaten. Primary producers, first level consumers, second level consumers, and third level consumers. Some primary producers get energy by photosynthesis, that is when they transform light energy to carbon dioxide, and chemosynthesis, that transforms chemical energy to carbohydrates, and happens because they are deep in the water and the sun doesn't pass through. The combination of food chains is called food web. The climate and weather affect an ecosystem. Weather is a day-by-day condition, and climate is the average condition of a long period of time. Tolerance is the ability to survive, and habitat is the general place where an organism lives. And each describe what the organism does and how does it interacts with abiotic and biotic factors. There are different types of biomes like tropical rainforest, tropical dry forest, tropical grassland or savanna, desert, temperature grassland, temperature hotland or shrubland, temperature forest, tundra, northwest conifers, and boreal forest. That should be all for now, and thank you.